Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing the how to make a 3D engine in Scratch tutorial part 5, and we're going to be making lists. So let's get into it. So we want to go down to variables, I'm going to go make a list, then we want to go leave full blocks, and now I want to make that. I'm going to close it off, and we want to make another list. I'm going to call it leave full bounces. Cool. Hide it and make another list. I'm going to call it level danger. Make that. And make another list and call it level end. And click that. And get rid of that. And yeah, that's how you do that part. Now we're going to make the define. We're going to program the define add block at x, y, z, t. So first thing we want to do is we want to go down to control. We'll go up to control. We want to grab an if else statement. Then we want to go down to operators, and if equal to, we want to grab this t from up here, and we want to put it in there, and then we want to change this to 1. Now what we want to do is we want to go to variables, we want to go add thing to level blocks. We want to go to operators. We want to get join and then we want to go and grab plus. We want to grab join x plus 45. Now what we want to do is we want to basically just duplicate this and add that to there, get rid of this one, and add y to that. Oops. I'm going to add y, 45, and then to go and add this to that, and then we want to get rid of this. We want to put z in here, and that's that. Now we want to basically just duplicate this, put it in there, change this to 2. Then we want to go here, we want to go level danger, and then we want to duplicate that again. We want to go and change this to level end, and change this to 3. Now we want to go and duplicate again. I want to change this to level bounces. I want to change this to 4, and that's how you do that one. Alright, now we're going to do define set point by x1, y1, and z1. We want to go into variables. We want to grab this set. We want to do duplicate and duplicate. I want to add x to this one, I'm going to add y to this one, and z to this one. I want to go x1 equal, set that to that, and we want to go to y1 and set that to that. I'm going to go z1 and set that to that. Cool, that's how you. Okay guys, now we're going to be doing define calculate cube location I. Anyway, so first thing we need to go control, and if else statement, and we go to operators, grab equal to, and put 1 in here, and then we want to grab I and put that one there. Then we want to go down to variables. We want to grab set. Then we want to go back up to operators. And we want to grab times. And then we want to put in 100. And then we want to go and grab we want to grab a negative. I want to grab negative. I want to grab negative, and I want to put that there. And now we want to grab join. I want to go here. I want to put 45. I want to go letter. Grab another letter. And I want to put over here. I want to put 1. I meant 2. 2, and then we want to go and grab variables. We want to grab letters. Sorry. I'm going to go item. I'm going to grab other item. Go back over here. I'm going to put that in there. Put that there. And then we want to go to variables. We want to go to letter. I'm going to put that in there. See. I'll grab another letter. Put that one there. And then we want to duplicate this. Bring that over there. And then we want to put one more. And now we want to go over to cube X. I mean X cube. Where's X cube? X cube, X cube, X cube. I'm going to grow Y cube. And Z cube. And there we go for that part. Oops, and I forgot, sorry. We need to change this to 3. This one to 4. We need to change this one to 5. And then 6. And now what to do is we want to go Okay, now we're going to grab this, and we want to, actually no, we want to go here, we want to duplicate that. I'm going to go back down, and we want to go duplicate it again. Now we want to duplicate it once more. I want to go up, I want to go 2, 3, 4, and in this one we want to go level danger, level danger, level danger, level danger, level danger, and level danger. And now I want to go level, oh no, I want to go level end, level end, level end, end, level end, level end, and now I'm going to go back, I'm going to go down here, I'm going to go level bounces, level bounces, level bounces, level bounces, and level bounces, and level bounces. Now what I want to do is I want to go up to File and go Save. I'm saving our work. Okay, cool. Also guys, there's this I wanted to show you guys, but never got down to around to showing you guys. So this is level 5. This is what the game will look like when it's done. So yeah, and you can go low resolution, medium resolution, and high resolution. Anyway, so we'll play on low because my computer, I'm on my laptop, I'm using my webcam to use like the arrow keys to turn around. I could probably turn, oh I fell. And you respawn and you come up to here, there, and then turn around. And we'll go up to here, and we'll go up to here, and this is a level that will probably do, and then this respawns you. You got like extra long bounce. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. And remember to subscribe, turn on that post notification bell icon thing so you don't miss the next Scratch tutorial video. Okay guys, see ya!